Residents of Maho Drive in Coburn Gardens staged a fiery protest along a section of Hagley Park Road in St Andrew this morning. The residents are claiming that a man from the community was killed in cold blood by the police yesterday. TVJ's Shamela Pullin reports.
Fire blazing, thick dark smoke. Another protest against the police killing. This time in Maho Drive in Coburn Gardens, St Andrew.
You can't come kill me after. In our community, gunshot come a fire upon we every night. You see me, but yet still we, the police, them come and terrorize, and run off the people them off of the street, only for come back in at the night, and come and kick off people yard gate, and I go in and wake up people out of them bed and I kill them.
The protest also had political overtones. In the middle of the road, a writing in green. It reads, "No PNP." On one side of the road, a man dressed in green was also seen painting in green, JLP, as some persons held green placards which also reads, "We need justice" and "Angela needs to go." There was also a heavy police presence. They tried to calm the angry crowd, but the people were too upset. They even accused the police of taking sides.
Now, if you come for one side over there, and you come and you find a person, you must leave them alive and turn them in. Don't kill these ones over here and left the ones over there alive, or else it's not gonna solve anything. And now the people don't have no trust within the police, and the police supposed to be here to protect, not to kill.
According to commanding officer at the Hunts Bay Police Station, Superintendent Gary Francis, there have been numerous shootings and murders in Coburn Gardens. He theorizes it is as a result of a gang war.
Yesterday was one such encounter when one of the men reportedly engaged the police and he was shot. Firearm also was seized along with a quantity of ammunition. The matter is being investigated by the police as also the Independent Commission of Investigation.
The police say they will continue to monitor the situation. Minutes later, firefighters came on the scene and put out the fire. Calm has now been restored. Well, at least for now. Shamela Pullin, TVJ News.